Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't change time zone in Windows 11. Here's the fix. First method is change local security policy settings. Check users added to the settings. Second method is run as administrator. Third method is change time zone using command. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.